did it. You braved the Brazilian wax, and now the hard part is over. But wait, what comes next? Taking care of your skin after a wax is just as important as the wax itself. Stick around, and we'll walk you through the essential aftercare tips to keep your skin smooth, healthy, and irritation-free. First things first, take a deep breath. You might notice some redness, bumps, or slight discomfort. Don't panic. This is completely normal and should fade within a few hours to a couple of days. Your skin has just been through a lot, so it's time to focus on healing. For the next 24 hours, think of your skin as super sensitive. That means no tight clothing. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics like cotton to avoid friction. Skip the hot baths and intense workouts. Heat and sweat can irritate freshly waxed skin, leading to breakouts and discomfort. If you need to shower, keep it short and cool. Your skin will thank you. Cleanliness is key, but gentle is the name of the game. Use a mild, fragrance-free soap and avoid scrubbing the area. Harsh products can lead to irritation and slow down the healing process. When drying off, always pat, never rub, the skin with a soft towel to prevent unnecessary irritation. Your skin is craving hydration. Apply a fragrance-free hypoallergenic moisturizer to keep the area soft and smooth. Aloe vera gel is a fantastic natural remedy that helps calm redness and cool down any lingering irritation. Some great post-wax products include show-recommended products on screen. Now, let's talk about what to do after a Brazilian wax. First, avoid direct sun exposure. Freshly waxed skin is more prone to sun damage and pigmentation. No hot tubs, saunas, or swimming for at least 24 hours. Your pores are open and bacteria can easily cause infections. And finally, hands off. Don't touch, scratch, or pick at the area. It increases the risk of irritation and ingrown hairs. Follow these simple steps and your skin will stay smooth, happy, and irritation-free. Want more self-care and skincare tips? Stay tuned for more expert advice. See you next time.